For many St. Lucians, preparation for the hurricane season usually consists of grocery shopping and light carpentry to secure windows, doors, and other property. But after seeing the extensive damage caused by Hurricane Thomas in 2010, clearly more has to be done. Such was the thinking behind the development of what EC Global now officially calls its Livelihood Protection Policy. The product, after years of research and development, was designed to protect the livelihood of St. Lucians who are at risk of being negatively affected by heavy rainfall and high wind speed. CEO of EC Global Insurance, Leighton Khan, says that this is a very significant milestone, not just for the company and its stakeholders, but for the country as a whole.
We've been at this process now for the past 2 years, following extensive research and more research on the ground to develop a product that will really meet the needs of the vulnerable people in St. Lucia. And after many months of hard work, fine-tuning and refine-tuning this policy, we're at a point today where we can officially launch it to the public.
The product, though underwritten by EC Global Insurance, was the result of a 2-year partnership with Munich Climate Insurance Initiative, MCII, Microinsure, the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, Munich Re, the United Nations University, and the German Federal Ministry. Executive Director of Munich Climate Insurance Initiative explains how it all started.
What's happening here in St. Lucia actually has a lot to do with the entire world. And small island states like St. Lucia have said, look, we're really concerned about climate change. It's affecting our people. We need some help. Could insurance be part of the solutions for some of the weather-related challenges that we're facing? And so the German government a few years ago came to our organization and said, would you be able to work with small island states? We had the chance to come to St. Lucia because your government said they'd be willing to work with us.
According to product manager of MCII, Sobia Becker, the initiative will also make a lasting contribution to sustainable development in St. Lucia.
There are over 1.5 million people who've been affected by adverse climate events in the Eastern Caribbean over the last 30 years. And if we don't really have a number to put to the scale of damages and destruction that would have occurred in the last 30 years, but you can well imagine how high that figure would have been. We hope through this product to provide a recourse to vulnerable individuals who've been so far left out of the financial safety nets to give them the kind of protection that they need to rebuild their lives after an adverse climate event.
The development and launching of the Livelihood Protection Policy has also received the support of the St. Lucian government, the national insurance regulations, as well as various credit unions and cooperatives island-wide. St. Lucia is the first island in the Caribbean region to launch an insurance policy around climate risk adaptation. EC Global Insurance believes that the initiative is a positive step forward which contributes to the socio-economic development of St. Lucia.